हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो स्पार्टन प्रो गेयर से हमने एमटी की हेलमेट और एक ब्रांड है स्केमटार, उसकी लेवल 2 जैकेट फॉर राइडिंग मंगाई है। आज उसको देखेंगे। अनबॉक्स मैं कर चुका हूँ। मैं वैसे आपको पार्सल्स भी दिखा देता हूँ कि हाउ वाज द बॉक्सेस। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद boxes first. First the jacket box. In this the jacket came. It was just jacket at the bottom and its cover on the top with a bubble wrap, nothing else. Jacket don't have any specific packing. It's from Spartan Pro Gear only. Then this was the helmet packaging with a fragile logo, because if it's not cleared, then helmet may get a smash or something. It affects your shell even, so it's not good. So fragile is better. It has its own cover and full of bubble wrap. Helmet must be taken proper care. Let's start with the jacket. Here is the jacket. I have put it in the cover, you guys can see. Let's open it. Actually the cover is bit small for this jacket. Hanger is mine. I have put a hanger in it. Let's open it. It basically comes with 3 liners, means 3 layers. A thermal liner, then a rain liner, then the jacket. Let's remove the hanger. I have removed these liners first. This is thermal liner, this is rain liner, and the jacket. Let's talk about the jacket. Here you can see the back protector. Every protector is removable, just like these sticky things. Just have to pull it out. This is the back protector, CE certified T+, T-, and shoulder guard and elbow guard are level 2 protectors. Jacket has a nice fit. Just measure your size before ordering. Spartan Pro Gear is a nice website. There are reflectors too for night riding, and I ordered this bright color as it is more visible at night. You can see mesh at back, mesh on arms, so that proper airflow is maintained. Let's move to the specifications. Let's start with specifications of the jacket. It's Aeromint mesh fabric designed for maximum ventilation. Then heavy duty 600D and Dynatic fabric chassis, rugged yet comfortable for the user. And armors, I told you, CE certified back, T+, T-, and elbow and shoulder are level 2 dual density armors. Then internal layers, I told you, rain liner and thermal liner. Additional features are just like you have 2 pockets outside and 1 rain pocket outside, so that you can keep your phone inside in rain or something like that. Then 3M Scotchlite reflective material keeps rider visible. I told you the side liners, and the Skimtar logo is also reflectable. Yes, these are the features of the jacket. Just normal jacket, not so high tech. Now let's start with our helmet. Firstly, let me show you the helmet. Here's the helmet. Let's open it. I have still not removed the stickers. Firstly, get it out. Here's the jacket. This is Thunder 3 SV Nuffer. Kufner. Yes, Kufner. So firstly, let's talk about the outer shell. It's a polycarbonate shell, and it comes with pin lock, and the visor is 2.2 mm thick with anti-scratch technology. This is small size. Small size is 55 to 56 centimeter. Then air vents. Here the air vent, open, close. Here the air vent, open, close. Then I put a sticker back here. I ordered it from 100 kmph. It's basically a sticker with my blood group and written do not remove helmet unless you are doctor or paramedic. It's also a nice sticker, lifesaver helmet sticker, sorry. So here's the air outlet. You can close this and open this same as those. So empty helmet logo, helmet name, and then the certifications. The most important, it's DOT certified, ECE certified, and one more thing, this helmet is Sharp rated 4. Sharp is very amazing tester, so it's a 4-star, provides you supreme safety. So let's open the visor. So it also gets a sun visor. Yes, but the thing is you can't put your any glasses. If you have specs or something, you can't use the sun visor. So that's the thing. And then we'll talk about the inner liners. So every liner is removable. So you can see these are very soft and comfortable. It has pockets for speakers, and then a quick release strap. It's very easy to use, but more safer is dual D-ring. I prefer dual D-ring, but I have to remove helmet constantly, so better this dual D-ring is difficult to use a bit. So this is better if you are having to like remove the helmet again and again and wear it again and again. So dual D-ring is very tiring. You can't do that whole day. So this is the helmet, and I didn't thought that this graphic will be that nice. Amazing graphics, supreme. Just my reactions were too good. So empty is reflective silver, and I ordered this white and fluorescent orange as because it is very visible at night. Main thing is very visible. So here are the buttons. If you have to remove visor, just pull the button and visor will come out from both the sides. You have to do that. Nice helmet basically. You can see empty logo at front also. So this is the helmet. I basically made a color theme white, orange and black. So let's talk about some features. So the helmet shell is injected polycarbonate shell, multiple shell size आते हैं, like it starts from, you can see, 2 extra small, then extra small, then small, and then further it goes till 3XL. 3XL is huge. Then we'll talk about safety, dual certification, ECE and DOT. ECE is European and DOT is American. Then 4-star Sharp rated. Then reattach fastener for easy fastening, and that I told you D-ring is better than this. Then we will talk about visor. Visor is Pinlock Redimax Vision visor. Then you can attach even anti-fog inside it. Anti-fog costs you around 1150 rupees that you can attach inside it. That's a good thing in winters. Your visor just don't get any fog inside it. So then interior, it's anti-allergic lining all over. Then laser cut foam padding for an ultimate fit. Then removable liner. Then embedded speaker pockets. Yes, that's the very good feature. You can, if you are using any intercom like Sena or something, then you can fit your speakers like just here over the ears. So that's also a nice thing. But the thing is, helmet must be snug fit, like it must pressing be your face like this. But then the thing comes is if I have to wear my specs, there is a lot of struggle wearing specs. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, take care. Like, share and subscribe for sure.